Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and today we're back with our Oh Humpy Bread van. And that's right, this van is all the way from Pahrump, Nevada, and today we're going to be doing a oil analysis. And a lot of people always ask, Eben, is it worth it to do an oil analysis? Well, today we're going to start off and show you what it's all about, and that'll be up for you to make the decision. Let's kick it off. All right, so we're back after 9 months and about 20,000 miles of driving. This van is driven from Pahrump, Nevada, which is 60 miles away, here and back about 2 to 4 times per week. And they also do a little bit of driving down near the airport to pick up supplies, because obviously they're getting supplies for their bread making. They also do cupcakes and stuff like that. So we're gonna start out with our oil analysis pump kit. This is the kit. This is actually made by AMSOIL. And we're gonna go ahead and pull our sample. And this is the package that has the analysis bottle, which we're gonna go ahead and pull out. We got all our paperworks, and this is a prepaid sealed kit. And I'm gonna quick go over it with you. So starting out with our cute little bottle.
If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button right here and tap the notification bell. And that way you'll be notified next time I go live or post a new video.
Our prepaid kit has everything in it. It's got the plastic returnable pouch. This is sealed to return it. It's got your tracking number, your slips, UPS ground, back, and it's going to be going to this address right here, Indianapolis. Now there's a few locations around the country where you can ship your sample to, and you can go to the Oil Analyzers Inc. website, and then we're going to go ahead and fill out this. So this gives you the component, the engine. This is a 5.2 liter V8. The oil we used was a 10W30, which is very robust. It holds up good in the heat out here in the 110 degrees. This is the Signature Series. This isn't the viscosity, but this is the exact oil we put in. We put in the Signature 100%, good for up to 1 year, 25,000 miles. And this is the product code, and it gives you the component life and how many miles you put on it. So you're going to fill this out, and this of course has your return packing slip and receipt. Now we got all the paperwork out of the way. Now we're going to go ahead and show you how to set up the kit. Super easy. Got this cute little pump, little hand pump. All you do is right here, there's a little O-ring. When you thread in your hose, you'll see that little rubber O-ring right there. You go ahead and take, the O-ring fell out earlier, but I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in here. Take your hose, which AMSOIL sells lots of reusable hosing. So if you wanna do a bunch of different tests, you can do that. So we got our little rubber O-ring. This just kinda sits on here like so. And then as you firm it up, when you stick it in, it actually gets taut, and that's pretty much it. So you can see it sticking through right here. And now you just go ahead and just firm it up, and you'll feel it start to get firmer, and then the hose won't push in and out. So as you thread it down, you can feel it bite, and that's it. Done. Nice and firm. Now we go ahead and pop off our lid. It's got the little child-proof kind of clickiness to it. Stick our oil analysis bottle on. Now the van was driven here about 2 hours ago, so the oil's pretty good and mixed up. I'm not worried about starting it, and it's not too hot. You want to make sure it's not too hot, or it can actually melt this hose. So you definitely want to be careful with that. And now all we do, we don't even have to take out our dipstick. All we do is just unpop her here. Let's see here. And just stick her down. Stick her down until we get the liquid gold. It's like flossing your teeth. We're going to go down the dipstick tube. I think that's going to be a little bit easier. So we're just going to go all the way in till we bottom out. That's it. There's rock bottom. Here we go. We just start pumping. Ah, here it comes. Here it comes. Ah, look at it. All we do is pop off our sample, easy as pie. You can see how beautiful that liquid gold is. Not quite as gold as it was when it went in, but it's still 100% synthetic. So we're going to be sampling this for oil fuel dilution. We're going to be checking it for viscosity change. We're going to be checking it for metallic, any type of wear metals. And this van was driven exactly anywhere from 15 to 20,000 miles, and it's been 9 months on one oil change. And I'm going to put a little link to that right here in the corner. When we did the engine flush, we got all the old carbon deposits out. Now I'm going to show you what type of mileage is on this little angel. All right, so this little angel only has 117,000 on it. And a quick show how much oil this burned. It burned about a quart and a half of oil, and then we also added another quart of oil back about 4 months ago. So total oil burn on this is about 2.5 quarts, and that's over 9 months on AMSOIL Signature Series 10W30. And here's the dipstick today. That's where we're at. So the oil still looks good and clean, and as you can see, it looks pretty darn good still. Ah, beautiful. A walnut baguetteska with cranberries. Cranberry baguette. We're going to be sending off the sample. We will definitely be back with the oil results. That'll be about a week or so. And if you have any questions about AMSOIL Signature Series, they make it in all viscosities. So no matter what car you have, they make it. If it's 040 for a Corvette, Dodge Viper, Honda, Toyota, an older Dodge, no matter what vehicle, AMSOIL makes that viscosity. Oh, and I almost forgot. There's a video of many other oil analysis videos right here in the corner. Go ahead and tap that little icon. Check them out. They have a commercial program. If you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out to me how to get it for wholesale. I have my link in the description below. If you really enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. That helps out the channel, and we will see you back next time on Synthetic Oil Protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection. What are you staring at me for? Go ahead and click this little video right here. Check it out.